I'm Chantel Roberts, and I'm an expert witness for claims handling standards, practices, and procedures. I was an adjuster for 20 plus years. The Art of Adjusting is a vlog to help professionals and laypeople alike understand a bit more about the insurance claims industry. Today, we'll be talking about liability claims. Almost everyone is required to have liability insurance. It covers the acts that the insured did or failed to do. To determine liability, adjusters look at four key parts, which I call the ABCD rule. A is a duty exists. B is there's a breach of that duty. C is causation. It means that the claimant needs to show that the damages that he or she sustained was as a cause of the breach of the duty. And D is the damages. And oftentimes you can have psychological injuries, but it's really beyond the scope of this vlog here. As in all other types of claims that I've previously discussed, the adjuster is going to need to do an investigation, which can entail paying the piper, and that's PIPR. And that means reviewing the policy, getting the injury information or investigating the claim, getting the photographs of the damages or the location where the injury occurred, maybe the photographs of vehicles involved in the loss, and a recorded statement. If the insured appears to be at fault or negligent for the accident, the adjuster would then determine the damages, negotiate the settlement, obtain a release, and reduce reserves, and then close the file. I went through this really quickly, but liability claims usually take months to settle. The insurer wants to make sure that the claimant is fully recovered before closing the claim. Often, liability claims will go to a lawsuit due to a difference of opinion over what the value of the claim is. And I'll have a future blog post about determining damages, what to do if the damages or the injury happens to be severe and the claimant doesn't have enough money to pay for the bills, but needs some money to go to the hospital or to the doctor and doesn't want to settle, and the basics of a lawsuit in 2021. So this week I've discussed liability, which is required almost for every instance. Liability insurance protects the insureds for acts that they did or failed to do, and the claim can take months to resolve, but every claim is different and every insurer has different protocols for handling losses. However, this being in the litigated world we're in, see below for some legalese. Few claims go to a jury trial, and picking the expert who has been deposed the most or gone to trial the most may not be the correct expert. Failing to have a second set of eyes on the claim in order to save on expenses isn't always the best way to resolve a loss. As an expert witness and a former claims adjuster, I'm sharing my experience in the art of adjusting. Thank you for listening. I appreciate your time.